So in this live trading session, I will try to reach $100 starting from $1. I'm going to use only the buy Nagito strategy, which is in the link in the description below. After purchasing the course, you will receive an email like this. Yeah, you will receive a link in this email. You click on it, you go to the course. You can watch it online, or you can download the course. You will learn this strategy, practice it on demo account, and yeah, start trading. So first we're gonna choose. In this course, everything about the strategy I'm using in this video is explained. The indicators, you find the 12 videos explaining everything from money management to different indicators. Even you find some examples, live sessions where I trade in the same time. I explain everything to you guys, and you can learn this strategy from that course. Yeah. Okay, let's put again. Yeah, guys, after learning the strategy, the buy Nagito strategy, you will be able to predict the movement of the market. I have some examples, yeah, where I trade. For example, this video is 24 minutes. You will find me, you will watch me trade in the same time, explaining every move, every step, why I'm doing this, why I'm not doing that. Yeah, you will learn everything. Sorry, the network is really bad these days, but yeah, you will learn the buy Nagito strategy and start trading. Later I will upload a video on YouTube explaining why how to withdraw your money without getting suspended from IQ option. So yeah, subscribe guys, and follow the videos in this channel, the buy Nagito channel. Yeah, I will teach you everything. Every time I will upload a video with my live trading sessions. You can purchase the course and learn it. Try to make your first wins using the demo account. Later you will master it and start trading like an expert. And yeah, there's no magic about this strategy, guys. No magic. Just some rules you will apply, some indicators you will follow, and the money management system that you will respect, and you will make and we made this beautiful strategy easy for beginners, even experts.
Okay.
Where you can trade binary option without using any trade, or you can avoid losing trades. You will choose only the winning decisions. Okay, this one is a 100% call. Yeah, follow the buy Nagito YouTube channel. We will update any news for you guys. Yeah, and about the book, same thing. We will send you an email after you purchase it, of course, and yeah, you can start reading the book and learn the strategy. Guys, the difference between the course and the book: in the course there's videos. We explain the strategy with videos, with like 12 videos explaining everything. And even in the course there's some examples while I trade and explain my movement, my steps, my decisions. But in the book you only find the text, and you will learn from text. If you like reading, you can purchase the book. If you are not a reading person, yeah, purchase the course and start learning. Yeah, I don't want to risk the whole balance. I just trade with $3. Yeah, to avoid any risk, because it's a small balance. You will understand why I'm not risking a small balance. Yeah. And for those who can't afford buying the course, of course, there's a competition still going. We give free access to our book each week for one subscriber we choose, and the subscriber will be chosen with some conditions. So we choose the subscriber with the most number of shares. We started with comments. You can comment and like and subscribe on all the videos, but to increase your chances, you can share our videos, our YouTube videos, share them in Facebook, so everybody can reach this channel, reach this strategy and learn it. And yeah, every weekend we choose one subscriber, we give him the course for free, and yeah, he can start learning this strategy. I think I will stop talking and I keep trading for you guys. You can watch the whole video and watch me reach perhaps $100 or $200. I guess it would be just $100.